So to perform the restore activity, here, so what we have to do, we need to, so we need to launch the SAP UP process. Just fill it out. It's not required now, right? So what we can do, we can launch the SQL Server Studio. So SQL Server Studio, we can launch it. So the restore without replace, or table syncing, there are the multiple options here while doing the restore option here. So we have already the production backup we have available. So let's take the production backup here. It's there in the our E drive here. So there is a export backup we have taken here. This is the ECP production backup we have taken here. It is having the 65 GB, right? So what we are going to do now, we are going to restore. We are going to the restore now here. We are going to do the restore option here. Okay. So to perform this restore, so database SAP application, we need to stop it, right? So definitely any restore, the first main thing is the SAP app servers application. So we have to stop it, right? Then, so free space at OS level. Why? Because it's SQL server, it's a OS level, it will create the some folder structure. So we need to take it out that action also, right? So OS level, we have to take it out, right? So that one, so we have the OS level. So that action we have to take it out here. So we have the, so free space is 300 GB is there. That's enough. Why? Because our DB size is the 60 GB only. So 300 GB free space is there. That's fine. So SQL server, you are in the SQL server. Go to the databases, right? So which database you are planning to restore this database? Then right click, then go to the restore the database here. Restore the database here. So in the restoring the database here, so it will ask the, so it will ask the, so device, where is the, so you have the database already there, source database, it is already linked, we can use the database, but we have the backup restore method. We are using. So means backup means we have taken the backup of the production, that file got moved to the here. Then, so we are using this backup restore method. Click on the add. So file based method. So just check where is the your I think E drive exports. We have the ECP backup is there. So just select that one, click on the OK button. So we have the database is the ECP. Now destination database is the ECD, right? ECD database. This is the full backup. This is the full backup you have taken on from Windows 1 server ECP. So that is the, you have the details here. When was the taken the full backup in the 6.2. Okay. So that is the size is the, this is the size of this database. And so it is verified is full backup, full DB backup we have taken here. So normally people immediately will click on the next button here. But before that, you just check the go to the files here. Why? Because here the data files will be created. Files will be created here in the location here itself. But we need to just to change the, relocate the all the files to the our E drive. Sorry, and here in the C drive it will be created, but we have the less space here. By default it will take the C drive, but we will go with the F drive here. In the F drive we have the folders files are there here. So that's why in the F drive it is getting created here. F drive it is getting created here. All the files are getting created in the F drive here, right? F drive, data 1, data 2, data 3, data folder files are getting created in the F drive here. Just click on the OK button.
So what about log file?
Log file C drive fine. No, that will not create much. If we want to change, we can change it. But here it's failing because of this backup holds the backup of the other than existing database. So yes, but thing is here you mentioned like restore with override the existing database. That is what we need to choose it here. That what we miss it out here, right? So files, that is fine. So ECP database, we are restoring into the ECD. Then files, so this is the data 1, data 2 files. It is restored as here it is getting restored. Data file, if you want to move it here, C drive, we can change it, but that's fine. Why? Because C drive we have space. It's a log directory, right? So that's fine. But if you want, we can change it, not a problem. So, but if you don't change it, all will be created in the C drive. it is 69 GB, we have the 70 GB, it will be full. So otherwise, then we can make it as a F drive here, restore as a F drive phase here, right? Maybe if you want to change a log drive also you can change it. So that's fine, right? So then, so to avoid the IO issues, log I can keep it as the C drive, F drive, we have the this one, so that there is no IO input output issues here, right? Just click on the OK button now here. Just click on the OK button. So now it is getting the restored now. So let's see the percentage. Once the percentage started, so then we can see it here. If we want, we can stop the restore as well. So but here there is a percentage will be opened maximum. So 45 minutes or 1 hour, the restore will be finished here. Oh, but again it's got failed because of cannot be restored because of cannot not observe that because of it's already in use. Exclusive access. Let's see, it's we already stopped, right? So already stopped the database. Someone started something. Non-stop. Stop. Stop. Let's kill the if any process. Let's kill those process as well.
We have DB in MMC.
DB in MMC. So stopped it. Let me kill the if any SAP start SRV process as well. So that is the different one. Override with existing database. It will be override. It will be replace. So just click on the OK button. Let's see. Again, it got failed because use something is in use here.
We have not stopped DB, right?
Not required actually. No need to
For
stop.
recovery, we need to stop, no?
No, not required actually. So if you stop it, how the connection will be established. But let me restart the Windows here. So maybe some other connections or something it got hold up. So might be the reason. So because we done right multiple times, we have done the restore and everything. So it's not required.
But in HANA, we need to stop tenant database, then we do recovery. It is, I don't know this SK.
No. HANA also we have to while recovering. So if you stop, no, we don't need to. We have to only name server should be stopped. No name server should be up and running while doing the
That's right.
recovery.
So
Yeah.
tenant DB, when you are recovering tenant DB, we need to stop tenant DB and
It's not
recover it.
mandatory, right? We can recover that in without stopping,
No,
so we can recover it.
no, it is mandatory. Without that, it won't proceed.
Normally we do it every week, 2, 3 restores, we will perform it. Refreshes, directly we will do that one. So right click and restore the tenant databases, we will do it. So the its system will take care of the stop procedures. Normally we will use the voice level commands. So we have some other tools to do that one. But let's So now maybe the existing connections will be destroyed now. Go to the studio. Okay. Connect. So if you stop it, then it will not connect, right? So that's the reason actually. So it will not connect to the database. So just to, so right click on the SID, then task, then backup, restore option. So fetching the backup sets, stopped working. Now studio is not responding. Let's see.
So once again, what is this file and file groups? We are
Maybe,
doing with file, no?
uh, but here we will select it. Here we have to select the device file only, right? So here we have to select the
That
device.
second option cannot be used because that is also file and file groups. That's why.
Yes, yes. Maybe we have to use it here, I think. But normally I do here in this using this one only. So
Okay.
go to the here, use the device. Here we have the file. Maybe that is the one, I think. So here I will check the where the backup is located here in the A drive, exports, select the file, back file, and here select it. So then database ECT. So here go to the files. So here we can restore as, so manually one by one also we can choose it, or so restore data files as, like otherwise we can also choose the folder name, we can choose it here, F drive. So directly F drive we can choose it, or so one by one also we can choose it under the one folder here. So this one we can keep it. So this one we can use the overwrite option. So just overwrite option, just click on the OK button. So now let's see the something it progress, that's fine. But let's see this time. We restarted the database as well. So it's restoring. So once the restore completes, so here we will get the progress actually 5%, 10%, 15% like that. So like that we will get the progress bar here. Let me see here. So but we need to do the schema name, schema change. We have to do that one schema change. Why? Because schema, the original system is the ECP, now it is the ECD. Both are different, right? Both are different now. So definitely we need to do the schema changes. We have to perform it here, schema changes here. So that's what we have to do now, schema changes. So
After that, we'll do that post refresh activities.
yeah, schema change. Once schema change means that is the post refresh. So once this is restored fully, schema change. Once the schema got changed, so all the tables will be changed. Then we can bring up the system. Then post refresh activities like schema like BDLS, some other post steps we can execute it. We can start the conversion post steps and everything. We can start it. That's we can do it. So here you can see it got created the folders here. It got created the folder structure. As I can see, the space got consumed, 60 GB space got consumed here. So let's see, yeah, data 1, data 2, data 3, data 4. Total 16, 16, 16. So 69 GB. So total 64 plus was okay, 60 plus GBs. The folder files got created here. So these files are unusable. We can clean up after that. Now, so but now, so now if you see it here, so normally it should show the status here. So 5% completed, 10% completed, like that it will show the status. But
SID change also we need to perform.
yeah, schema change means that SID only. SID it will create, it will change the all the schema, SID, everything it will change it. There is a script here, SQL SB script is there. So that schema change script. So if you use that script, it will change it. It will change the all those things.
So we want to see that schema change also and not perform for SQL. So
Okay, that time I will record it.
yeah.
Schema change. So there is a script here, maybe not here, maybe. Yeah, once this is done, so I will, while doing that one, I will also record that session as well. Schema change, schema rename.
Will it take time? 60 GB only, 5-10 minutes only, no?
No, 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 it's not Vyjam, it's not the super fast CPUs, super fast memory. It won't take, it will take a lot of time. Max 45 minutes it will take. So just we can initiate it, it will complete it. Just I'm checking so here the percentage will come. Once the percentage started, then we don't have any issues. The only thing is percentage should start it here. That's what I'm looking here, percentage. The only percentage, on the percentage is there, so then we are good. Then we can just wind up the call. the progress. Yeah, it's not failure means it's doing something. So it's also created the file system as well. So it's doing. So we don't need to worry about that one. But let's see for up to 7 minutes so that we can see it.
Please let us know so when you will do this schema also.
Yeah. Then we'll do it together. Otherwise, if anyone
Yeah,
joins, we'll
fine.
do it together.
Yeah. Let us know. We'll discuss on that call when to join now. Whenever you're available.
Yeah.
Let us know. Yeah. Because sir, we don't have any SQL DB. We have only HANA.
Yeah, but nowadays everything will be on the HANA only, all the customers.
Yeah.
SAP is not going to support for these non-HANA databases.
Hmm.
So there is a error log file. There all the SQL server related log folder actually. So it will be located here. Each and every SQL server related log file.
So you have any recorded video for SQL? How the file systems are there? A basic SQL things.
But I, not sure. But nowadays it's not that much of important, right? But
Just for like how this
yeah, got it.
basic
But
SQL, basic things, not much. Only
let
basic
me
this file structure
let me
thing
see if
and
any have any documents or not. So I will share
Mhm.
this one. So this is the log file. We need to look at it always. If any database related issues, error log. This is the main important log file for the database. So if you open this log file, so you will get the clear picture here. What's happening with my database? So what are the errors we have? All the information will be recorded here. For the how the Oracle alerts the alert underscore SID dot log file, how it is important. So this is also important for this one.
some backup log would also be there, no?
Yeah, that is the backup related. This is the error log is for the all
Mhm.
the database operations will be here in this case here. So here we can see it. Not in the database. Normal log. Yeah, you can see here the percentage
Okay.
started. So it is getting restored. Every time 5, 10, 15 like that the percentage will start it here. Okay. So I will keep the session open. I will keep the session open so that no, not the like 100% completed. When we are doing the recovery post steps, so that time I will inform you. Then we will connect again for the schema conversion. Okay.
Yes. Yeah.